Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can optimize images in your WordPress website for better speed and performance. Let me log in into my website by adding /wp-admin, then click on login button. Now in the WordPress dashboard, here we need to go in plugin sections. Now you can find out plugins, then click on add new plugin. And here you can find out all the installed plugin. So now here you can type a keyword EWWW Optimizer. This one. Let me scroll down, and here you can see 1 million plus active installations with 5-star ratings. Simply click on install button, and then activate the plugin. Now scroll down, and here you can see plugin settings. Just click here, and here you will get these options. So what you want to do, if you want to speed up your site, then you can click here, this one, save storage space. So you can check this one. But if you want to convert your images into WebP format, then this option is not recommended, as WebP images can take some space. And if you want to enable this one, then you need to upgrade a premium version of this plugin. And now we want to go with a free version, then click on next. So guys, now here you can see remove metadata, lazy loading, WebP conversion. So now it's checked. Then scroll down, and here you can see where you want to store image backups, local, disabled, cloud. So keep it as it is, then click on save settings. And again click here done. So guys, here you can see image will be optimized automatically. And simply you can click here to optimize your images. So it is scanning all of the images in WordPress media library, and it can take some time. So guys, here you can see website image optimization is almost complete. 10 images left to optimize. So it can take 2 to 3 minutes for optimization. Now if you want to check your website speed, just you can copy website link and you can go on GT metrics. So using this tool you can check your website speed and performance. Just you can add your website link, then click on analyze button, then scroll down, and here you can see it is step 1. So within 4 steps it will generate all the reports about your website, and it will also detect all type of errors and issues in your website. So guys, here you can see 98% secure.